did your mom say? Di ba, syempre, she's far.
Syempre, tungkol si Mommy, nag-message sa akin agad because she saw the Facebook page of Sunsilk and she saw na, yun nga, may silhouette namin pareho ni Julia. Sabi niya, di ba ikaw yan? Kasi di ba nag-shoot ka? Oo, Mama. Oh, good luck sa launch mo. Congratulations in advance. So, very happy. Supportive si Mama kahit na.
So, matutupad ba yung haircada adventure mo this summer? Magagawa mo ba yan?
Parang hindi pa this summer kasi maraming trabaho.
At saka maraming series na mag-premiere.
Correct. So, kailangan work muna and then pag deserving na talagang mag-big vacation.
Ano ba yung haircada adventure na gusto mong gawin? Especially this summer.
This summer, makapunta lang ng beach and makapag-relax. Yun yung adventure para sa akin. But other than that, pagka big break talaga, gusto kong ikutin isa-isa yung mga Disneyland sa mundo. Kasi yun yung ginagawa ng manager ko. So, gusto ko rin ma-experience yung ganun.
So, gagawin mo, isa ba sa mga isasama mo sa haircada, Sisa?
Haircada ko ba yan? Parang iksi naman ang buhok niya para maging haircada ko, diba?
Bakit si Sarah din naman maiksi yung buhok?
Girl siya. Dapat haircada, mostly girl.
Yes! Bawal boy!
Nagulat ka ba dahil may yung buhok ni Ate Sarah?
Medyo, of course, nasanay kaming lahat na mahaba hair niya, pero she looks very good and hindi naman siya, alam mo yun, some people think na pag nagpagupit ka ng buhok, either magmumukha kang mas matanda, pero she looks younger pa, diba? Mas vibrant and mas fresh.
Bumagay.
Yes, bagay na bagay sa kanya.
Pink din siya ngayon.
Yes.
Ikaw ba, when was the last time that you cut your hair? Parang maikli yung buhok mo. Matagal-tagal
Actually, around December, nagpagupit ako kasi namamatay na yung dulo. And that was before I signed with Sunsilk also. So, kailangan fresh din pag gumawa ng TVC, di ba? Alam nga naman, i-represent ko yung brand, pero patay naman yung buhok ko.
Aray ko?
I did.
Aray ko?
So, ayun, I had a haircut and it was much longer pa before. But before pa, hanggang shoulders ko was like 2009.
Last question, Jasmine. Ano pa yung mga susunod? Susurpresahin mo ba kami? Bukod sa mga Jasmine the series, when will it air? How's the taping?
Jasmine the series will be aired in May. It has been moved because we had some delays with taping and napuno na yung schedule ko with other projects such as my movie with Miss Nora, which will be shot in a week and a half, I think.
Next week ba to?
After next week, lilipad na kami papuntang Batanes. Shoot with Miss Nora Honor. And then after that, we have another movie to be filmed in April, and Mama Betcha and I are also still thinking if we should go to Brussels or not to represent Puti because we have been chosen as an official selection for the Brussels Film Festival.
Wow! How do you feel na ready na bang gown mo? Ready na ba lahat?
Hindi pa, kasi pinag-iisipan pa namin. So pag sure na kami, maghahanda na kami. But for now, support lang muna kami through social media.
Congratulations!
Thank you guys!